everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Viber on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. It's quite easy to download Viber for your Android device. First, make sure that you're connected to an internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once connected, tap Open Play Store. In the search bar that appears at the very top, search for Viber by typing it in the search bar. Once you make a search for that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. The Viber application will be displayed right at the very top on the next page. Tap the install button in green right next to the app to begin the downloading process. If you tap on the app, you'll be able to see further information about it. All of the information that you'll need will be displayed over here on this page. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Simply tap it on to launch the app open, and there you have successfully downloaded Viber application for your Android device. Tap on start now, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to log into your Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.